What's up, guys? If you mine H1 token on Satoshi mining app, we all know that the mining has ended, and according to this information, wallet submission will start by 30th of September and it will last till 21st of October 2024. And this task I'm about to show you right now, you must perform this testnet task before you go ahead to submit your wallet. So make sure you perform this task before you submit your wallet at all. So what you are going to do right now is you copy this link. I will leave it in the comment section or description of this video. So just copy it and open any wallet of your choice, EVM wallet. You can use MetaMask Trust Wallet, but in this video, I will be using BitGet wallet application. You should all know that the application all work in the same format. So you can use any application of your choice. So I will be using BitGet. So here is my BitGet wallet application, and you all see that I have already copied the link. So you just have to click on discover down here if you are using BitGet with me, and in the address bar just paste the URL, or you just quickly type it join.haven1.org/Satoshi_app, and then you click on search. So you just wait for this this a notification, just click enter, and then just wait for this website to load up and you will see the H1 testnet platform. So what you want to do right now is you want to join the testnet, and you just have to click on join. And after that, here are the things you need to do. You have 3 steps to follow, and the first step is going to be done automatically with the system, which is the wallet connection. And then you just have to move to the next step, which is submission of email address. Submit your email address and get a code from your email to confirm this. And after that, you just have to click on sign agreement, and then you just click on sign up. So after the sign up, the next step, which is the step 3, is the provide basic information, which your wallet address will be provided automatically, and then you just have to input a referral code. You can copy my referral code from the comment section or description of this video. Then account type, you just have to select account type, which is going to be for individual. You select your country and then you click on sign up. After the first 3 steps, you should receive a welcome message like this, and next thing you have to do is to confirm or verify your identity. When you click on verify identity, you should see a screen like this, and you have to connect wallet. Don't worry, you can select MetaMask wallet here. It will still synchronize everything together, and then you just have to click on connect wallet, sign the signature, and then follow the process. I will leave you to do the normal verification and then see you at the other side. When you have successfully registered your wallet for this testnet, you have to participate in the testnet. So how are you going to do that? You have to get a testnet, H1 testnet token. And how are you going to get that? In any way, just find your way to see claim H1 token from the testnet faucet. So what you want to do right now is to click on claim H1 token, and then just wait for the. So if you see unsupported network, it means that after they doing the process of registration, I have go back and then come back. So you just have to switch network, and then you will see you have to switch to Haven1 Testnet. And when I click on connect wallet, it will automatically switch my network, and you can see. So you can see get H1 testnet in next 23 hours. It means that I have already claimed this today, and in your own case, just try to claim it, and this is what you can be claiming every day. Accumulate the H1 testnet token. It might become something later when the mainnet is being launched. Nobody knows. So just try as much as possible to keep claiming this every day as well. And when you perform all this, it means that you have done all the requirements, and then you are good to go. When you come to your wallet and you refresh this page and make sure that your network is on H1, which is Haven testnet, then you should see that you actually receive 10 H1 token, and it is priceless, and I can see it is not totally useless for now. This is evidence that you actually perform the testnet task. So basically, we are done. You have performed the mandatory task which is required from the H1 official, which will make you to be eligible for the H1 airdrop. And the wallet submission for Satoshi mining app will start on the 30th of September, and I will be making the video on how you can do that as well. So stay tuned, share this video for more people to see, and of course follow this page for more updates like this. See you on the next one. Peace out.